go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Oh my God!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially
Let's go! I got on this thing too. Let's go!
Impending severe weather and or hazards in East Central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally
Oh my
conducted
God.
every Tuesday between 6
Oh
p.m.
my
and 7
God,
p.m.
that's
local
so
time,
cool.
and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville, from a transmitter
Let's
in
go.
Lexington on a frequency
Let's
of
go. Let's
162.4
freaking go,
megahertz,
man.
with a rebroadcast through a transmitter in Madison County on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for
This guy
watches
didn't go
warnings
off.
affecting the following counties.
Like always.
In East Central Kentucky, Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Clark, Fayette, Garrett, Harrison, Jessamine, Madison, Mercer,
Let's go.
Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. The current time is 6:06 p.m. Standard Time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas. Tonight, mostly.
So that was the weekly test.